Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, center armrest. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.